Okay, let's talk evaluation. So, what is evaluation? When do we do it? Why is it important? Well, I would argue that you are evaluating all the time in the workshop. Whenever you do something, whether it's good or bad, you're going to think, okay, what am I going to do next? Or if you've done something wrong, how are you going to fix it? Quite often you're just asking these questions in your head without even thinking about it. What we do want to do at kind of the end of our design process is think about an end kind of evaluation, reflection on what we've done. There's lots of different questions you could ask. I've got quite a few different questions here, which is in your booklets if you're in my class. So questions like, what did I do well? How did my outcome solve the design problem? What could I do to improve my outcome further? What were the key things I learned? What was most enjoyable? So there's heaps of different questions. Probably the most important one out of all of those is what could I do to improve? And if we think about that design loop from evaluation and going back to ideas and changing our design ideas, we can really think about how to improve our outcome, make modifications or changes. So what you probably need to do is go back to your design brief, look at your brief, look at your specification. Did you meet those specification points? And to give an example, if we're making the Korean taonga, have you made it how you wanted it to look? Does it represent what it was meant to represent? That's quite an important part for that specific project. So, evaluation, very important part of the design process. Ask those questions, fill in the sheet if you've got my booklet, and yeah, really reflect on what you've done.